In this video, you'll learn how to sign up for a free Zoho One trial. This process will guide you through the necessary steps to create your account and start using Zoho's suite of applications. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Once the browser is open, navigate to the search engine of your choice. You can use Google or any other search engine that you prefer. Next, type in Zoho in the search bar and press the Enter key. This action will display search results related to Zoho, including its official website and other relevant links. After the results load, look for the link titled Zoho Cloud Software Suite for Businesses. Click on this link to be redirected to the official Zoho website. Wait for the page to fully load before proceeding. Once on the Zoho homepage, locate the button labeled Sign Up. This button is typically found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking it will take you to the sign up page where you can begin entering your account details. On the sign up page, you will see a message that states, "Start with your free account today." This confirms that you are on the correct page. Proceed by clicking on the field labeled Email to enter your email address. Type in your email address in the designated field. Ensure that the email address you provide is valid, as you will need it for account verification later. Next, click on the field labeled Password to set your password. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements outlined on the page. After entering your password, a message will appear indicating that your data will be stored in the US data center. This is important for ensuring compliance with data regulations. You will then need to click on the checkbox that states, "I agree to the terms of service and privacy." This step is essential as it confirms your acceptance of Zoho's policies. Following this, you will have the option to sign in using your Google account. Click on the button that says Sign in using Google to proceed with this method. Click on the Google option to be redirected to the Google sign-in page. If prompted, enter your Google account credentials and complete any verification steps required. Once signed in, you may see a message indicating that your IP address suggests your account will be stored in the United States data center. This confirms the location of your data storage. Next, you will be required to agree to the terms of service and privacy policies of Zoho Corporation. Click on the appropriate link to continue. After agreeing, click on the button labeled Create Account to finalize your registration. Wait for the confirmation that your account has been successfully created. Now that you've completed the sign-up process, you can explore the various features and applications available within Zoho One. This allows you to leverage Zoho's tools for your business needs. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.